Hey guys, it's Johnny IT and today I'm going to show you how to connect a Windows 10 computer to Wi-Fi. Go down to the globe icon and the list of Wi-Fi networks should appear. Pick your Wi-Fi network that you want to connect to. Click connect. Connect automatically is checked. Type in your Wi-Fi key. Press next. Open up your favourite internet browser. Go on any site. As you can see, the internet is working. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more Johnny IT videos. And if you dislike videos, please tell me why in the comments so I can improve on the next video. And also don't forget to share this with your friends and family if you found this useful. And bye for now.